Welcome back, guys. Today we're diving into 250 best kitchen gadgets on Amazon that will revolutionize your cooking experience. From time-saving tools to fun culinary accessories, these products are designed to make your kitchen adventures more enjoyable and efficient. As usual, links to all the products are in the description below, so you can grab your favorites. This flying indoor camera provides a new way to monitor your home. With the ability to fly along custom paths, it captures clear video in a high resolution. You can check on things at home through the app, whether it's to see if a window is open or if something is left on. If your security sensors are triggered, the camera automatically takes flight to investigate. This smart alarm clock offers more than just a morning wake-up. With Alexa built in, you can check the weather, control your smart home, or play music, all while getting clear, rich sound. The display shows time, weather, and more at a glance, and you can personalize it with different clock faces. Set routines for gentle wake-ups with music or gradual lighting, and even use motion detection to adjust other devices. This is a knife block set that includes various knives for all your kitchen tasks. You'll find a chef knife, a sentoku knife, and even steak knives, making it great for everything from chopping to slicing. The knives feature a special black oxide layer to resist rust and keep them looking good. With a sharpness angle of less than 16 degrees, they cut smoothly through ingredients. Plus, they're designed to last for years with easy maintenance. This is an egg cooker that lets you easily prepare up to 6 eggs in different styles, whether you like them soft, medium, or hard-boiled. It's a great solution for busy families or anyone who enjoys quick and tasty breakfast. With just a simple push of a button, you can make hard-boiled eggs, poached eggs, or even scrambled eggs in minutes. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect for small kitchens or when you're on the go. Plus, cleanup is a breeze since the non-electric parts can go right in the dishwasher. This is a mini donut maker that lets you whip up fresh, delicious donuts in just minutes. It's easy to use, and even kids can join in the fun by choosing different batters like cake mix or brownie mix. You can make up to 7 donuts at a time, making it perfect for families or anyone with a busy schedule. This pizza cutter offers a hassle-free cutting experience with stable vertical pressure and a large wheel for perfect slices. It's designed to give you clean, effortless cuts with minimal effort. The compact design fits comfortably in your hand and can be easily stored in your cutlery drawer. A protective blade guard ensures safe storage, and when it's time to clean, the cutter disassembles in 3 simple steps for easy, dishwasher-safe cleaning. Perfect for anyone who enjoys pizza without the mess. Want to keep your food warm without the hassle? This electric warming tray heats up quickly and offers 8 temperature settings to maintain your dishes at the perfect temperature. With a safety lock and an auto shut-off feature after 4 hours, it ensures safe use while protecting your surfaces. Cleanup is simple thanks to its water and oil-proof material, and it folds neatly for easy storage. If you want to make perfect fries at home, this tool is a must-have. It cuts potatoes, carrots, and cucumbers into even strips quickly and easily. The stainless steel blade is strong and lasts a long time. With a handle that's easy to squeeze, you can push through whole potatoes without any hassle. It saves space in your kitchen and cleans up easily with water. Start each day right with this 12-cup drip coffee maker that ensures a rich, flavorful brew. Its unique spiral shower head evenly saturates coffee grounds for optimal extraction, while the programmable warming plate keeps your coffee at the ideal temperature for up to 2 hours. Designed for convenience, it features a clear, removable water tank and a drip-free pour spout, making coffee preparation a breeze. This charging station simplifies your daily routine by allowing you to power up multiple Apple devices at once, including iPhones, Apple Watches, and AirPods. Equipped with a 36-watt fast-charging adapter, it quickly charges up to 5 devices within 2 to 3 hours. The thoughtful design maximizes desk space while providing USB and Type-C ports, making it easy to keep everything organized. This smart switch button pusher adds convenience to your daily routine by turning regular switches into smart ones. It fits well next to rocker switches and one-way buttons, allowing you to control appliances like coffee machines and air conditioners. Setup is quick and easy with an adhesive backing, so no tools are necessary. The companion app lets you set timers for automatic operation, even when away from home. If you seek a bed that combines comfort and technology, this smart bed has several useful aspects. It includes a Bluetooth speaker for your music or podcasts, a reading light for nighttime reading, and a USB charger for your devices. A massage chair is built in, making it easy to relax after a long day. This bed aims to make sleep and relaxation better, offering an all-in-one solution. This is a spoon saver that adds fun and functionality to your cooking routine. Shaped like a friendly hug, it keeps your stirring utensils from slipping into pots while also slightly lifting the lid, perfect for simmering soups or sauces. When you're ready to put your utensil down, it flips over to act as a spoon rest, preventing any mess from cooking juices. Made from flexible silicone, it fits most regular-sized spoons and spatulas, helping keep your kitchen tidy. This is an herb stripper knife featuring a unique porous design that accommodates stems and leaves of various sizes. It's not just for herbs. You can also use it to remove stems from strawberries, kale, and other leafy greens. Crafted from sustainable wood, this durable tool is designed for heavy kitchen use, with an ergonomic handle that ensures a comfortable grip for easy herb peeling. The blade is designed to be safe and less likely to cause scratches while effectively cutting through a variety of herbs, including parsley, cilantro, basil, thyme, rosemary, and sage. Add a touch of whimsy to your home with this cute cat hand towel. Designed with a snap button to prevent slipping, it offers the soft, comforting feel of petting a cat while you dry your hands. Made from a high-quality blend of polyester and nylon, this towel not only absorbs water effectively, but also features a realistic cat design that's perfect for brightening up your kitchen or bathroom. At 25 inches by 6 inches, it's a fun and functional decorative piece that's great as a gift for cat lovers or anyone looking to add some cheer to their space. This pasta maker takes care of everything for you, from mixing to shaping the dough. Just add your ingredients, and in under 20 minutes, you'll have fresh pasta ready to cook. It comes with discs for making different pasta shapes, and you can even get creative with ingredients like spinach or herbs for added flavor. The compact size makes it easy to leave out on your counter, and there's built-in storage for the discs. This electric spin scrubber helps make cleaning easier and faster. It has a rechargeable battery that can last for 120 minutes on a single charge. You can use it for various cleaning tasks like scrubbing your bathroom tiles or kitchen stove. The scrubber comes with 4 different brush heads to tackle different surfaces and corners. If you want to reduce plastic waste and drink clean water, this device does 3 things. It makes water from air, cleans the air, and lowers humidity. It can produce up to 19 liters of water each day, so you'll always have fresh, mineral-rich water. The UV light keeps the water safe by killing germs, and the air filter removes dust and allergens. It works quietly and can be powered by solar panels. Craft delicious family meals with this versatile 6-quart slow cooker, designed for convenience and health. The non-toxic ceramic non-stick interior ensures easy release and cleanup, while the lightweight removable pot can be used on stovetops and in ovens for enhanced flavor. With a programmable timer and 3 cooking modes, it adapts to your schedule, keeping meals warm for up to 4 hours after cooking. Achieve barista-level precision with this advanced coffee scale, designed to simplify your brewing experience. Its unique Brew Assist trademark mode guides you to the ideal coffee-to-water ratio, ensuring perfectly proportioned pour-overs every time. With an ultra-responsive design and a luminous OLED screen, you can effortlessly switch between weight and timer modes. Whether weighing coffee or other small items, this scale delivers accuracy and versatility for every brewing enthusiast. Want to add some flair to your space? This smart lighting kit uses several light lines that connect and can be arranged in any way you like. It offers millions of colors and can be dimmed to match your mood. You can control it through an app or voice commands, making it easy to adjust everything without getting up. It syncs with music and games, so it changes with the beat or action on the screen. This is an electric deep fryer that comes in a special green and gold edition, adding a stylish touch to your kitchen. It can prepare 4 servings of crispy French fries using just 4 cups of oil, automatically maintaining the right frying temperature for you. This fryer is versatile, allowing you to cook everything from shrimp to onion rings with a quick preheat time. Plus, the handy scoop lifts, drains, and serves your food, while the swing-up handle makes it easy to carry. This is a finger vegetable peeler that makes prepping fruits and veggies quick and easy. Made with a quality stainless steel blade and a soft rubber grip, it's both sturdy and comfortable to use. Simply slip it on like a ring and you can start peeling without the worry of slips or scratches. The ergonomic design fits nicely in your hand, allowing for effortless peeling of various fruits and vegetables. This is a set of silicone trivets that's great for protecting your countertops from hot dishes. They're thick and sturdy, with nylon plastic inside to keep them stable while holding hot pots or pans. Made from food-grade silicone, they can handle heat up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and are designed to be safe and eco-friendly. The collapsible design makes them easy to store when not in use. Plus, they won't scratch, rust, or fade over time. Keep your countertops clean and tidy with this stylish spoon rest. Tired of oil and sauce drips messing up your kitchen surfaces? This spoon holder features raised edges to catch all spills, making it a must-have for cooking, baking, and grilling. With 4 slots, it provides ample space to organize your utensils, whether spoons, spatulas, or tongs, keeping everything within reach during your multitasking sessions. The all-in-one kitchen measuring cube combines 19 different measurements into a single utensil, helping you declutter your kitchen drawer. It features a range of measurements, including cups, tablespoons, and teaspoons, making it an ideal tool for any recipe. This measuring cube is resistant to wear and deformation, ensuring it lasts through many cooking adventures. Plus, it's lightweight, dishwasher safe, and BPA-free, making cleanup a breeze. This egg cooker prepares up to 7 eggs at once, letting you choose soft, medium, or hard-boiled option. You fill a measuring cup with water to match your preferred doneness, then press a button to start cooking. It automatically shuts off when done, making it simple and quick. This device also doubles as a steamer for veggies or other foods. Elevate your coffee game with this super automatic espresso machine, capable of crafting 19 diverse coffee recipes, including lattes, cappuccinos, and espressos. The fully customizable settings allow you to adjust strength, volume, temperature, and froth, ensuring a perfect cup tailored to your taste. Its intuitive 7-inch touchscreen makes brewing effortless, while the auto-cleaning function and dishwasher-safe parts simplify maintenance. A mini fridge that adapts to your lifestyle. This compact 4-liter fridge works for anything from snacks to skincare. With the ability to switch between cooling and warming, it's perfect for your bedroom, office, or even a road trip. The sleek, lightweight design includes a .C, D.C, and USB options, making it easy to power anywhere. Whether keeping drinks cold or food warm, this gadget adds convenience to any space. This is no ordinary toaster. It's a Darth Vader toaster that lights up and plays lightsaber sounds as your bread toasts. Perfect for any Star Wars fan, it's an eye-catching piece for your kitchen. With wide slots for bagels or thick bread, plus easy-to-use controls, it's as functional as it is fun. Bring some Sith energy to your morning routine with this unique kitchen gadget. This vacuum sealer kit quickly seals mason jars to keep food fresh and flavorful. With a powerful motor and a long-lasting battery, it can handle up to 500 cycles on a single charge. It comes with lids for both regular and wide-mouthed jars, plus a lid opener. Sealing is effortless with a one-click operation that takes just 15 to 35 seconds.